This is the Custom Impulse. Good thing I came here. This is the elevator at the AHN Outpatient Center in Union City, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover serial Oildraulic. This is the first time I've seen a Seelar Custom Impulse. There's 2 blank buttons there. Go to tune drawer unless the drawer is locked. Here we go. Oh, 1 hour is a separate floor. That means 2 hour might be a separate floor too. Here 2. No, tune drawer is the same floor. Go back down to 1. 2 COPs. Non-ADA red phone. If you're in the machine room, signage. It's a basic black hospital-sized cab. Wick. Here back at 1.